Okay, so let me talk for a second. This is gonna run untested for those watching this after the fact or starting this as a video and wondering why it's short or why it's long or why I turned it off or whatever. I built a thing. I did not test a thing. I need to send it, long running it, and I do not have a server, so I'm just gonna run it and I'm gonna stream it, and that's how you guys are gonna get involved. So there's no Twitch interaction or anything. There's no YouTube interaction, but there is a Twitch chat, and there's some information there. You guys saw the template going, and it's basically gonna be the desktop, and it's gonna just show just some screens from DeepSeek and some screens from things, basically showing that I made a thing, and then they got the links and some donation things, and I'm gonna run it. And I'm gonna let a few people know, but I'm gonna run it overnight while I'm sleeping. I don't really expect there to be any attention, but I hope you guys have fun with it. As far as I know, I have only witnessed it get to the first intro Pokemon Professor Oak screen, and I tried to preemptively code a few things in. It uses game state frame detection, which basically means Moondream determines the game state, sends the game state, and then sends a textgram transcription, its idea of what it is, and then a game state prompt for instruction to Llama on what to do. No idea if it works. No idea if it's circular loops. No, I mean, I fixed one circular loop, but that doesn't mean I fixed all circular loops. You guys could be watching a stream where I go to bed, and this thing gets stuck in the room and doesn't do anything for 6 to 8 hours, and I don't give a fuck. And, well, you guys got this intro, and you got me saying it. But my excitement is immeasurably through the roof because as of yesterday, it was a Claude concept doing API stuff, and yeah, that's really cool, and GPT-4 and all these video games are cool, but I didn't know how to do it. I didn't know how I would do it, and I came up with the concept of how to do it with AI, coded it entirely with AI, and then just went and did it. So if the internet does go down, that might be because there is a Wi-Fi router being changed, and the stream could go down for that reason. You guys have a fair warning, but I'm going to start this, and we'll see what happens. It's currently midnight. I said I wouldn't be streaming to the people involved, so again, the stream could go down for any reason, and I don't really care. So let's get this running, and switch over here. Okay, the first one's a broken frame because I didn't capture the frame right. All right. So as it stands right now, you guys should be able to hear the gameplay, and I can't hear it because it was annoying the shit out of me. And I'm actually going to close this. I'm going to reload it, and I'm going to walk away. That is the general idea, and we're gonna switch over here to main 2, where we have the stream set up. Okay, we got the window debug. I'm gonna try something. I just realized my mistake. I'm gonna try something. I realized my mistake. Honey, I need the laptop. I need to push the code, and then I need to get on the laptop.
With the grade. Harvard potentially Hollywood Walk of Fame star.
Hollywood Walk of Fame star, comedian working with the greats.
Someone just guessed Martin Warren.
That would be a good guess. Give me a sec. I need a plug. I need a plug.
Eddie Murphy.
Alright, I got a plug. We're gonna do this another way. Oh. I finally understand what's crashing OBS. It's the damn Stream Deck hook. Still?
Yep.
Oh man. Alright, well. We're gonna do something different. I'm gonna actually take this down. Give me a second. I'm gonna
It was Cedric the Entertainer.
Ha!
That's crazy. Holy crap. He was the first one unmatched for that season. Watching episode 2. There's only 3 episodes out so far this season. You're done this year sometime when you get a chance to go back off.
I what back off? Oh, the light? Sorry, I left that on, didn't I?
How did you make this post, by the way? I'm showing it here.
Again, as I said, if it was like I want to bust it.
You know what it was? Sorry.
You asked me and then you didn't want my answer. I'm sorry. Hey, bust. Good every day. That's what you're doing. We were talking about Little Caesars.
Yes.
You asked me a question, I started answering it, and then you had something to say. What did you do, kiss me? What did you do?
Oh,
No, listen.
okay. Yeah, see, it was the fact that people were probably getting all the time because of these ups that they selling. We're actually going to get positive reviews.
If you're a fan of bacon, it's really good.
Like I said, it's probably because they're tired of pepperoni. We want something new with pizza.
Right. Alright. So now that I'm doing that. Hopefully that just works. Let's see if I don't have anything installed. Because there's possibly dependencies. Oh yeah, and I need to change this. Video capture device, existing device, orange box. Okay, and then this is gonna look blurry, but fuck it. This is better. It'll at least run. Capture AVI mode, and then just do that. It's blurry, but it'll work. Bits and bytes means install bits and bytes. Okay. Let's try the setup. Because it might just fix things. Because I think I updated the requirements. Yeah, bits and bytes is in the requirements. We didn't have it. All right, so we're gonna get the dependencies up and running, and then run it on another computer. Now you may be wondering why is it blurry? I'm coaxial, and then for the people who don't know, I don't care. Oh, hugging face token. Give me a second. I don't even want you seeing that. And then just open up Notepad. Okay, now we hit run. Oh, right, that might. Yeah. Mute. And then. And then I need to actually change device to be, alright, wait a minute. Alright, the script is going nuts because I'm fucking it up. Sound. More sound settings. Enable. And then cancel. And then make it the silicone one. And then we do that. Alright, we should be getting audio in a second. I gotta fix a thing. Why is it buzzing? How the hell did it extract button A from start? Why is it operating differently on this one? Okay, it did press start. I'm confused. I'm confused. And we need to... Pressing start over and over. Why is it doing that? Okay, it's getting through this by pure randomness, but right now it's saying it's in a cave over and over. Can I oh. Well, that makes that easier. All right, well you guys can see that a lot better. Oh, it has a stuck detection. I forgot to tell you. If it does the same action over and over and over, the stuck detection will eventually kick in. It's just no audio. There's just no audio. I can fix that.
Nice progress. What's new? I notice 8B for the LLM. What prompts are running?
Check the source code on the GitHub. It's pushed live. You can straight up go to decision.py and vision.py. Vision.py shows you the prompts going to moondream. Decision.py shows you the prompts going to whatever, and it's got state detection. So I don't know why it's stuck with very limited visibility, and I may start working on it right now, since I can push the code and pull the code between the machines. So here's what I'm going to do. Oh, I didn't know I could do grid mode. Hell yeah, that's...
I'll check it. OU. Is read straightforward to get running locally.
Here's a few things. You need to install MGBA, and I recommend the default installation path. You need to install VJoy, which comes from SourceForge. Both of those things are required in order to get it to work. You need to use the joypad.py, or gamepad.py, which you just launch via Python and the venv, and it will load the controller and virtually emulate the controller. There's a venv.bat, which you can type in text in, so you can install your own pips and modify it very easily. What you do is you use the gamepad. I'll actually show you. Here, give me a sec. I'm gonna video capture device, add existing orange box. All right, so you guys can see it like up here. Here's how we'll do it. I'll save some screen real estate. I don't know. Technically I can do that, by the way. Yeah, that didn't change things. Alright. What's the what? Think. Oh, I see.
His message was he got to work with Robin. Robin was there to hear his.
Oh yeah, that does sound like it.
So I'm thinking either Ben Stiller from Night at the Museum, last movie.
I can see that.
Because I didn't recall Ben Stiller. Because that sounds like Ben.
I'll put that there. All right, I'm still kind of coding a little bit while you're enjoying this, but it's up and running, and I got to the name select screen, and I'm right now working on the. Oh, I know what the issue is, and I'll fix it using a logical thing. I know you guys may hate this, but game states are definitely the way to prompt a short language model. You describe game states using a. What you do is you get an AI to look through a walkthrough of the game to have an AI look through the game for a walkthrough of the game to make game states. Give it decision.py and vision.py with the game states in the walkthrough, and then I just became Eddie Murphy. This shit got so funny. Okay, give me a sec. Honey, I just had a brain blast. Where is this? I don't know why I'm trying to work on my Eddie Murphy laugh, but I am. Yeah, reload that. All right, so first thing we do, copy the entire code base, and the second thing we do, we go Pokemon Blue walkthrough TXT. Yeah. Super cheats. Is this cheating? Maybe. Here you go. I've enclosed walkthrough for Pokemon Blue. I want to see if I can do it with this. Honestly, this is against the spirit, but it's my project that I could do whatever the fuck I want, and you can't stop me. So make your own. Here's an enclosed walkthrough for Pokemon Blue. Oh, can I do the same thing for Crystal? No, no, no. What is this? Okay. TXT. Oh, gross. I ain't gonna do that. Let's go to Super Cheats. Yo, here it is. Oh, alright. I have it. Use your vast knowledge to update and improve. Let's see if that... I refuse to pay for it. Is there... What if I just do it basic? We only do vision.py, decision.py, and main.py. Yeah. No main.py. What is in here that makes it so long? I'm perfecting a Pokemon Blue walkthrough. Pokemon Blue walkthrough prompt. It's still stuck at the name and it thinks it's in a dark cave. Which, by the way, if it thinks it's in a dark cave, it should keep pressing start over and over to open the menu to get out of the dark cave. But my other worry is that the dark cave will also, you know, be a dark cave. There's a few logical processes I need to fix, but I've got some brain thinks. I'm perfecting a Pokemon Blue walkthrough prompt and need it to be shorter for token. I need it to be shorter for token limits, and also it's being used to make game state training prompts used in decision.py. By the way, they don't like making recursive code, and if you make it output it, you may have to... How did I get 4.0 mini? Whoa, what? Alright, first off, we're just gonna copy that and make a new chat. I don't know how that happened. And then... and then bam, and then send that. It still thinks it's in a dark cave. I'm gonna let it loop because, you know, you never know. It could do something. Let's try this. Please don't worry about main.py. Ayo, that's the secret limit sauce to make Claude 3.7 work for free, baby. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Free Claude, baby. Yeah, but what if we used 4.0 anyway? So let's just do this the other way. Combine.bat, and then we go to combine.txt, and then we copy paste. Here is my script project. And then, I'm enclosing a walkthrough for Pokemon Blue so we can better make our script from top to bottom. Was it doing that? Alright, and then come up with a update strategy. Current issues. Sometimes menus can cause the visibility to loop in moondream as the visibility prompt causes confusion. It should just detect the dark screen instead and know we are in a cave from previous cave. We also need to improve state prompting so we don't hallucinate switching locations over and over. With a walk through, you can plan a game path. Floor, this will open up the door. Heal up and stock up on items. Nope. Ah, fuck it. Let's just try 031 mini. Eat. What's feeding the audio in? What is Hmm. B. Wait, what? I saw it hitting B. I saw it hitting A. I saw it hitting B. I saw it hitting A. I swear to God, I fucking saw it hitting B and I saw it hitting A. Recovery action. No, it's working. What is it doing? How is it hitting the A button? I'm checking something out. Something doesn't sound right. Tools, settings, controllers, and then on the book, ENV. Type. Oh, we gotta spell it correctly. Okay, let's fix this. A. What? Okay. B. Yeah. That's correct. That's correct. Why aren't you pressing the buttons? I love you.
I love you too, my toe hurts.
Toe hurts. Wait, what? There we go. All right, it's pressing start. Is it in a cave? No, it's pressing start. I may have just fixed it, and if that's the case, I'm gonna go to bed. I don't care if it walks in circles. I don't care.